Woohoo! Not quite ready to get in the shower. But this thing is a power horse, and I'm loving it. What a great deal I got from Amazon. And I, with weak hands, can make it adjust with one-hand operation. And I love that. And it has one more somewhere in there. I'll get it. Watch. There's a pause in there, and I'm going to find it. I have very weak hands. Normally, with a lot of things, I can't even do this much. Check it out. Here I go. I love the wide spray. And I thought, when I opened it, oh my goodness, it's so large. I'm afraid it'll be too weighty, or maybe I'll be dropping it. But the shape of this handle is epic. The weight, lightweight, and the ergonomic shape of the handle is wonderful. Look at that. Highly recommend it. Thank you so much, Amazon.
Okay, I tried this once, but it wasn't recording and I got my handle wet. So the stream is pretty strong. Lots of different options, and then it just detaches. Pretty easy. Adjustable up and down. And I do have the plumber's tape or whatever that is showing, but that was my fault. Yeah, but it's stuck. It's worked great for the 2 months.
It's the little pause mode, I think. Y'all forgive me, I'm short. I think that's good. At any rate, it's a great shower head. It's installed in about a minute or so. And we love it, we love it, we love it, we love it.
I purchased this shower head approximately 3.5 months ago, and as you can see, it blew off the shower head last night when I was showering. If I would advise, this is not a good purchase. This is a shower.
Y'all, I love my gold shower head. Yes, everybody always asks, where did you get it? Amazon. It's nice.